Curating a space that reflects your authentic style begins with a spark of inspiration, and Hobby Lobby has everything you need to get started. One of the most impactful ways to set the tone is through your wall decor. Your artwork can instantly transform a room, from moody and dramatic to fresh and earthy. Color and texture are key in telling the story of your space. Leaning and layering your art is guaranteed to add dimension and draw the eye upward. The layout of your wall decor should also take into account any features you want to highlight, such as architectural details, windows, or wallpaper. By complementing the character of your home, you can ensure the end result feels harmonious. Hobby Lobby has unique accents and special touches that tie a look together. Good lighting makes all the difference, so create an inviting glow with lamps in every shade. An artful grouping of vessels makes for a lovely vignette, and vases beautifully display florals for each season. When it comes to decorative storage solutions, woven baskets are the natural choice in any shape or size. Mirrors make a room feel larger than meets the eye and help maximize the amount of light. And when it's time for a refresh, look for clocks in a style and finish that suits your vision. By being intentional about choosing pieces you love, you're already on your way to a home that embodies your personality. Coastal or farmhouse, vintage or modern, Hobby Lobby has aisles of options to help you curate a space you can't wait to come home to. Visit your local store or shop online at hobbylobby.com. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.